Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use Smart Compose in Google Chat on mobile. So you can use Smart Compose in Chat for Gmail. So I'm going to open the Gmail apps and select the three line in the top like corner, and then you can select settings and then scroll down until you find the Smart Compose option. Just make sure this turn on turn on the Smart Compose. um yeah, to enable predictive writing suggestion as you compose a message on web and desktop, which is here in mobile. Alright, that's how you can use Smart Compose in Google Chat on mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.